Alrighty, hey friends, ETPC here, doing another unboxing. This is on the Pop Voice Lavalier lapel microphone. It's for iPad, iPhone, computer, all that stuff. Alright, so I kind of needed an upgrade. As you could tell, this microphone is a little, it works good, but then some parts, it like if I say different words, it can be a little cloudy. Okay, so that's the box. Inside we have a little bag with Pop Voice written on there. It's kind of nice. Okay. Feel like there should be like diamonds in here or something. Okay, inside we have the microphone. And this is supposed to have a 6-foot, 6.5 foot cord, which is going to be nice because when I do my videos here, my computer's under the desk, so it'll be nice to have a little bit longer cord. So if I roll out in my chair, I'm not pulling the computer with me. All right, so that's it for the bag. And in here, we have another adapter for it, and 3 different colored covers for the microphone, which is kind of cool. Also, we have the instructions. All right, my friends, so that's it for the unboxing. I'm gonna be trying this out here real quick, and we'll follow up with a review. Thanks for watching.